baby.
Get it out. Get it out. Come on, let's keep working on this one. I have to stand her up. I know you're so tired, aren't you? Come on, Snickers. There we go. Come on, girl. I'm sorry, I know you wanted to get it, but I don't think she's going to
It's more important she just has it.
Stand up. Sometimes you need the force of standing upwards to get it to come out. Come on, girlie. Give me another contraction. She's so tired. I hope this is the last one for her. She's tired. Oh, we got some babies under here. I don't want to break the bag if I can keep from it. Come on, Snickers. Get it out of there. That's a girl. This one must be a pretty big one. Come on. See how his feet are bound up? They're supposed to be straight. I know, but she's not. Come on, girl. Come on. Let's get him out of here.
It's going to start sucking the air if he...
Yeah. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on. I'm going to have to stick my finger up there if I can't get it out.
Is the bag broke?
Not yet, but I know. I'm sorry, girlie. There we go. That's what I needed.
That's the fifth one.
Here, Daddy, in a second.
Girl.
Nope, you don't want that nastiness.
Right there. You need the blood stopper.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy.
2 boys, 3 girls.
This one took a while, so he's got some stuff in his lungs. Hear him? How he sounds.
He'll be okay though?
Should be.
This is going to be nasty.
You're gonna have to fling him
Yep,
down.
that's
aren't you?
nasty.
What, Garrett?
You're gonna have to fling him down, aren't you?
Yep.
750. Round It's about
Okay.
So you need to fling him.
650, 750.
Did you get some out?
All that bubbles there, that's all coming out from. See how he sounds all
Gurgly.
gurgly? Come on, little guy.
Sounds like a kitten, doesn't he? You have to fling him again?
Yeah. You get it out. And some more bubbles.
Now, if you're watching this at home, do not try this unless you're professionally trained, right?
That's right. You're gonna break their neck. You getting it out? Huh? You're sounding better. Yes, you're sounding better.
Do you think there's another one, Mom?
I don't know how to feel. I hope not, because this one was stuck.
They need to make 5-hour energy for dogs.
Here's a baby. You want this baby?
It's pretty dark too, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. That one. That's good. She's working now. He's pretty scrawny too, so it's still bigger than the runt.